Hi and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are talking about one of the most asked interview questions, and that is swapping numbers in place. Well, the typical approach is when we swap numbers in place that we have a temporary variable and we give that, for example, the value a, then we say a is the other value, for example b, and since we stored a initially in the variable tmp, we can say b is our temporary variable. But there are also different in-place variants from it. As you can see here, we have a temporary variable and that is not in place. So if we want to do that in place, we have solution A, where we say a equals a plus b here. Then we say b equals a minus b, and we say a1 equals a minus b in the end. If we can there remove all the ones, that is simply a helper to illustrate it. Here we can say b1 or b is equal a1 minus b, and then we can put in a1, so it is equal to a plus b minus b, and that is equal to a, so we store a in our b variable. Alright, and a1 is still a plus b, so we can say a1 equals a1 minus b1, and there we get a1 minus b1 equals, and now we put it in again, it's a plus b, that is what's stored in a1, minus, and in b1 is stored a1 minus b, so we can there say that is equal to a plus b, our old a1, minus a plus b, what is stored in a1 minus b. And if we resolve that, we get the b value. So in the end, we store a in b and we store b in a by simply adding and building the difference between the values. Alright, so that is solution A. So A is equals A plus B, B equals A minus B, and A equals A1 minus B. Let's have a look at the solution B, which is a more common approach, especially in languages that don't solve the integer max value, the overflow, that good. Because if we go over the overflow, let's say here in this example, a is integer max value. If we add a number, then we come in the overflow, and then a is negative. And so it is a little bit difficult to solve it then. So we have another approach, and that is the XOR approach. If we look at XOR approach and we have just our bits, then we say if the values are equal, then our XOR value is 0, and if the values are not equal, then we say our XOR value is 1. Alright, so if we have a look here, then we see that we can do A equals A XOR B, B equals A XOR B, and A equals A XOR B. So that is kind of interesting, because we basically do 3 times the same thing. But if we look at the table, there we see the results too. So A XOR B is equal to here A, our new A. So now we can take our new A and do that with XOR B, so we get there the new B, what was the old A. And then we take this B and remove our old A and do this with the XOR B again, and we get then our old A, our old B value. So let's have a look at the example in numbers. 1010 XOR 0011 equals 1001, so that was our old A. So we can put that in as our new A. So we say 1001 XOR 0011, so we get 1010, that is our new B, and it was actually our old A. So we have our B set correctly, and then we can take our Alt A and do that with our new B, which was actually the initial A. And when we do 1001 XOR 1010, we get to 0011, what was actually our Alt B. So that is the solution B for our swapping in place algorithm. So let's implement it quick in Python. For that I create quick a new file and I call it swapinplace.python, and here I say at first our A equals, let's say 10, and our B equals 5. And then we can say A equals A plus B. So we store that now. Then we say B equals A minus B. And then we say A equals A minus B again. So, and then we do a print, and there I want A and I want B to be printed. So we say here dot format A and B, and if we print that, we will see that A and B are swapped now. So as you can see, A is now 5 and B is now 10, and initially it was the reverse. And I can show you the same with the XOR. So we say A equals A XOR B, B equals A XOR B, and A equals A XOR B. And then we do the same print again. Let me copy that here quick. And now we should reverse it again. So if we have a look here, we see now A and B are swapped again. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, give it a thumbs up and tell me down in the comments below what you think about it. I'm really happy about every subscriber I get to the channel, and that helps me to produce new content here. Alright, have a great day, bye.